Aloha, this is Donya, and today we talk about tempo, how it will influence our free play. Who those who do not know me, I'm Donya, your ukulista who brews you some nice, sweet, and tasty ukulele tutorials. So I hope you enjoyed my last tutorials about the free play, and today we talk about tempo. Tempo can also express our mood and show up our ambitions, how we feel. So let's see it on this example, what I played in the intro. If we play like a swing groove, so it seems like we are more happy and more delighted, so it can express that we were maybe bouncing around in the open field of strawberries or just in our front lawn. So it's like a groovy impression. Please visualize what you feel. Walk over the strawberry field or in your garden, anywhere, and you feel like you were bouncing and jumping and being happy. So So maybe this was a exciting jump, something like this. So finally, what is in your head, it goes over in your play, in your hand, so that think and realize it takes time first to get this mood and you can transfer it to your ukulele. So it takes time that you can express your mood to your instrument, but finally, if you get it, you will figure out which rhythm you want to play, which scale. At the moment I play the harmonic third to the D major scale. So and maybe you are more in the mellow mood, you can play exactly the same like we did now, but check out how it comes out or turns out now. So as you realize, it seems more mellow, more sad. So it changed totally the point of view. And I visualize that I'm sitting on my rocking chair in the garden and thinking about something which made me a little bit mellow or sad. And so you can transfer it directly in your play, and then you can figure out which speed it is and what you can do and transfer to your play. So it's so easy with simple things to do something great. So this was more like a picking strumming. You can also play the same thing with a finger picking pattern. So So it turns out in a different mood, the finger picking pattern, and there you with the staccato style, it is like, so you are maybe in between the lines, somewhere in the mood. So you can play it also. So the speed also changes the atmosphere a little bit. So you're still with that staccato. I filled in that you were humbling with something, but you get faster into further steps. So something is happening. So you can also do rhythm changes or tempo changes in your play, and it also expresses something new. So this is the free play. I want you to go in your feelings, in your visualization. And when you visualize things, you can turn out just with playing the same in tempo, different moods, different atmosphere. So I think for today it's enough. I have PDFs with this harmonic third scale I was playing and more explanation about those, what I'm talking about. You can download it in my Patreon store or be a patron, and you get everything on time, because I do every 10 to 15 tutorials, a tiny ebook about what I am doing here so far. So enjoy your first impressions and experience with the free play, and see you for the next tutorial where I talk about dynamics. Love you, see you soon, Doña.